Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain more about the previous video that we discussed the overall of our device. In this section, we will show the conversation between the chatbot and user in in my Line application based on data record in our database. In this case, I show our table on Grafana platform. That means you have to already done to plug in your database into this platform and to monitoring data update during uh, during interact between the chatbot and line command and command line in your application. Currently, if you see in this screen, you can see we have we have two tables consist of the development database. It means our product that show in the market. Another table is the user register. That means someone buy our device and register and use app Livebot to register. Currently, if you see in the first table, we have one device that have already done to register. Name is micro27. MAC address is www blah 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 blah. Registered by the user Flux. And the next, the table user, you can see the username Flux have already done one register name WWSS. Okay, let's start. If I buy another device name micro2997. Okay, I will show how to register the new device from the mobile application that I share my screen. Okay, and open your Line application. It looks like this, and open the chat. The first feature that you can see, they have the scan QR code to register our device, and you can add the information or such as you give something or sticker. The response from the Line, it will show you how it can work. First, it can register your device. The second one is the check your device have already done to register of your name. And finally is a delete device that you didn't want to use it. Okay. Let's start to register by scan QR code. Okay, scan QR code. If you scan QR code up, if you have already done to scan QR codes of our device, the live chat should be respond you successfully to register. By the way, if you repeat to register something like this, the command consists of your MAC address and the username, sends and receive a message. The live bot have respond you have already registered. It means you have already done to register before, so it cannot repeat to register. Okay, if you want to check is correct, you can go to our dashboard and see your table. Okay, let's check in our table. In develop table, MAC address is ggmm. You can see the line now is the status register is success and user register is fluke. By the way, if you see in the user database, you can see the user name fluke have two device have already registered. Okay, let's back if you didn't want to use Grafana to monitor your device register, you can use command line. Command line check my register fluke. The livebot will the pulling data from your user database. In this case, we have two devices that have already registered. You can see something like this. By the way, if I didn't want to use the device address GG, I didn't want to use I guess that you can command sharp and delete to make address. Right now, it have already deleted your MAC at your device. You can check same command. It should be respond one device that have already registered. That's correct. And you can go back to your Grafana. You can see you can see right now user database username fluke didn't have device register TG. It have already one register, one device. And moreover, in the developed database, micro 97, it does have user register. It right now is now and status is now too. Okay, this is overall feature in my livebot application. Thank you for your kind attention.